All American Appliances Repair Experts is a full-service company providing repair services for all major residential appliances. We diagnose and repair all major appliances, including refrigerators, freezers, washers, dryers, dishwashers, and so much more. We also handle residential electrical services, including appliance wiring, troubleshooting, panel installation, and more. We're fully licensed and insured and committed to dependable, thorough customer service you can count on. So for fast and reliable service and repair for all of your major appliances, contact All American Appliances Repair Experts today.